In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of merging project files and explain the ins and outs of how you can squeeze the most out of this feature. Merging project information is a powerful tool for collaboration that will save you precious time. Often during the design and visualization process, you'll work with other colleagues simultaneously to finish your project. Lumion makes it easy for you to collaborate with others and bring everything together in the same file. For example, one team member could work on the landscaping elements while another one works on the architecture. Then, both of their project files can be merged for the final design. Lumion offers quite a few helpful options to achieve just that. Let's first go over the basics. We have a couple of simple scenes, each consisting of one tree and a stored photo position. We will use different tree types for demonstration purposes and similarly, two different camera angles, one lower and one higher. Save both projects, tree 1 first, and keep tree 2 open. By dragging and dropping the tree 1 project into your current scene while in build mode, on the Library tab or into the Welcome screen, you will notice that the Import Scene dialog pops up. Let's select Merge. Lumion scans the contents of the projects and sees which categories of items they contain. In our case, one nature object and one photo per project. The three buttons next to each category allow you to add, replace, or skip the contents of the second project when merging it with the base one. Depending on the situation, you may need to select a different option for each category listed. In our case, let's simply add the nature and photo data in tree 1 to tree 2. An important thing to remember for photos, clips, and panoramas is if the content has been stored in both projects in the same position and you select the Add option, then the position will be overwritten with the contents of the project that is being merged. You can also find the Merge button on the Welcome screen after a project has been opened by going to Load, Merge Project. If you choose to replace the nature category and skip the photos, you'll notice that tree 2 will be removed and tree 1 will appear in the project instead. As we did not include the photos from tree 1 when merging, then we'll see the photo position from tree 2. You will notice that the angle is from above. Time to jump to a more relevant example. This SketchUp file contains the Kaufman house, one of the new example scenes in Lumion 12.3. Say you want to work on the landscape and your colleague wants to focus on the building's materials. All you need to do is to split the model in two, one file for the landscape and one file for the building. Then import both models into Lumion. When you finish making your individual changes, you will need to delete the placeholders from the Lumion file. In this example, you need to delete the 3D model placeholder, while your colleague will need to delete the landscape placeholder. Then simply merge your colleague's work into your file. It's that simple. I hope this tutorial helps you achieve a more efficient workflow. Speaking of, have you seen this tutorial that covers Lumion LiveSync? There's no faster way to get your designs into Lumion. And if you dig this tutorial, please throw me a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.